Hello students, today we are going to start with the grammar topic articles. What are articles? Articles belong to the group of words called determiners. Articles indicate definite and indefinite meaning. So they are classified into two, that is definite article and indefinite article. A and an are known as indefinite article. The is known as definite article. Now today we are going to see how to use this article. First we will see use of a. Now we will use the word article a before the word beginning with consonant like a pen, a book, a library, like that. And words beginning with such vowels that have sound of u. Now usually students make mistake here that if the vowel is there e, u, and if the sound u is there, still they use the article an here. That is wrong. Here you have to use the article a. Keep in mind, though it is a vowel, though your word is starting with a vowel, but if the sound is u here, you have to use the article a, like a European, a university, a union, like that. Keep in mind. Next, words beginning with O but sounded as V, like 1 rupee note. Now, though we are starting with the letter O, we pronounce it as V. So, here also you have to use article A. A 1 rupee note, a one-way road, keep in mind. If the word is beginning with the letter O and it sounds as V, then also you have to use the article here. After that, use of article an. Now we all know that if your word starts with the vowel, then we use the article an here, like an ice cream, an umbrella, like that. And if your word begins with H but it is silent, then also you will use the article an, like an hour. We don't say an hour. Understood? Here H is silent. So here also we will use article an. Keep in mind. Now these two, a and an, they both are known as what? Indefinite article. Now as the conveys definite meaning, so that why it is known as what? Definite article. For now we use the for particular things or names like the chair, the principal, the Ramayana, the Indian Ocean, like that. Now see the exercise here. Now, be careful of dash dog. What you will say here? Be careful of the dog. Albert Einstein was a scientist. You need a visa to visit the countries. I have got a sore foot. Can you recommend the good doctor, a good doctor for me? Sorry. We had dinner in the most expensive restaurant in town. We had to wait at the airport for 2 hours. Understood? How to use the article. Keep the rules which I have told you just now. Keep these rules in mind and then you can solve the exercise here. Because this topic, though we find it very easy, it is very important for us to revise, because in your board examination, articles and preposition, both these topics are asked for 1 mark each. So we need to revise it. Now see the next topic, that is preposition. Now what is preposition? Now preposition is used before noun or pronoun to show its relation with something else. Now there are different kinds of preposition. Like first one is preposition of time. I have underlined the preposition. All these are what? Preposition which indicate time. Like after an hour, during the vacation, till Monday before 7 o'clock, at 9 o'clock, on Friday, on 2nd July, in 5 minutes, by 3 p.m. for 3 days since 1947, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., between 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. or 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. So all the words which I have underlined are known as what? Preposition of time. They indicate time that you have to keep in mind. You have to revise it. Preposition of place, like at the table, on the table, in the bed, behind the tree, under the tree, in Mumbai, against the wall. All the words which I have underlined here are preposition indicating place. Preposition of direction. He went towards the market. She jumped into the well. They came in the class. He wanted to swim across the ocean. The train is bound for Pune. Now all the words which are underlined here are preposition showing direction. Next one, preposition of agency. I sent him a letter by post. He conveyed a message through her. He cut a finger with a knife. The palace was completely destroyed by fire. You are advised to write with a pen. All these are what? Preposition indicating agency here. Preposition of agency, like by, through, with. Keep in mind. They can also ask you, underline, fill in the blank with preposition indicating agency, preposition indicating reason, preposition indicating time. Or they can also give you options where you have to choose the correct preposition and write. So be prepared for it. Preposition of reason. Gandhiji fought for the welfare of the poor people. She died of malaria. He has been suffering from typhoid. She lost her purse through negligence. This jug is for water. He was punished for copying. All these are what? Preposition of reason. For, of, from, through. They do what? They indicate reason. So that you have to keep in mind. Now see the exercise here. He is born in Mysore on 21st, on July 21st, 1960. I met him by accident during my visit to Mumbai. I stay at home throughout the day. He started learning karate. He started learning karate from the age of 4. Besides geometry, she failed in algebra also. Mowgli grew up among wild animals. She was sick for a week. Understood? So you have to keep in mind these two topics. We feel that it is very easy, but sometimes what happens, we make silly mistake at the time of examination. So you have to revise all the kinds of preposition and both definite and indefinite article also. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.